Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the ESHYFT Per-Diem Nursing app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. ESHYFT is a per-diem nursing platform designed to connect nurses and CNAs with flexible shift opportunities at partnered healthcare facilities. The app focuses on helping clinicians find local shifts with upfront pay rates, schedule freedom, and simple onboarding so they can work whenever it fits their availability. It's available on both iOS and Android, making it accessible for most users looking to manage their nursing shifts on the go. The app's main feature is its shift booking system. Users can browse open shifts at nearby facilities, review pay information before accepting, upload credentials, and track work hours directly in the app. ESHYFT also provides notifications for newly available shifts, timesheet updates, and payment details to help workers stay organized. By allowing nurses to choose when and where they want to work, the app appeals to those seeking better control over their schedule. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate how easy it is to pick up shifts, the transparency of pay rates, and the convenience of managing timesheets digitally. The app gives workers the ability to earn extra income, avoid rigid scheduling, and explore different facilities in their area. For many per-diem nurses, the flexibility ESHYFT offers is its biggest advantage. However, there are some drawbacks. Availability of shifts can vary depending on location, so users in less populated areas may see fewer options. Some users also mention occasional shift cancellations or delays in facility confirmations. Additionally, because the app is focused mainly on per-diem work, it may not provide long-term contracts, travel nursing options, or extensive professional development tools. In summary, the ESHYFT app may be worth using if you want flexible per-diem nursing shifts, upfront pay details, and the ability to control your schedule based on your availability. However, if you need consistent long-term assignments or live in an area with limited partnered facilities, it might not meet all your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.